If you end up doing this job on an Alfa GT or 147, this is a diesel, the clutch slave cylinder there was leaking and it wouldn't come out of the bracket because it was corroded in, so I ended up smashing the bracket and buying a new one. It's quite tricky to assemble, so I suggest you I actually took the clutch lever off, removed the circlip over yonder. That one there, the main master slave cylinder circlip, is a real pig. That was also corroded into place. You can probably tell they're still corroded. But when you come in to reassemble, that clutch lever will only go on the spline in one orientation. So the way I ended up assembling was to put the clutch lever on, the rusty one, put the bracket on, and then push the cylinder in. And I was pushing the cylinder in and trying to get the circlip into place. It is about a 3 or 4 handed job, and if you've got a friend available, that's probably the best way.